What's good, y'all? My name is Ollie Marie and I'm who you want to see. And y'all obviously back for another video. So today's video is going to be all about my brows. I get so many questions about my brows. How I do them, how I get them to stay on, how I get them to look airbrush. Y'all really be hyping me up about my brows. So today I'm going to put y'all on and I'm going to show y'all exactly how easy and simple it is to get your brows on fleeks. It's like super duper easy. So if y'all want to know how to get your eyebrows on fleek, then just keep watching. Okay, so I had to bring you guys up close and personal so y'all can see what I'm doing. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to take the NYX Micro Eyebrow Pencil in the color Espresso, and we're going to use the spoolie side to brush our eyebrows up. The reason why we're brushing our eyebrows up is because we're going to outline eyebrows starting from the bottom. You just want to follow the natural shape. And y'all you gotta just work with what you got. What Fantasia said in the movie, Fantasia Barrino, she was like, you gotta work with what you got. So just work with what you got. You always capable. So we just gonna outline the bottom like so on each side. After that's done, we're going to take the spoolie side and then we're going to brush our brows down. And we're going to do the exact same thing we just did on the bottom on the top. We're going to outline the top. But the difference with the top is we're not going to start from the beginning like we did the bottom. We're going to start from about 1/3 quarter. Because if y'all can tell, this part of my eyebrows, they go straight up. And this goes back. So we're going to start right where it starts to go back. And we're going to outline that part. So after that is done, we're going to do the same on the other side. And y'all, please remember that your eyebrows are not twins. They are sisters. It's okay if they're a little different. It's okay if they're a little unsymmetrical. It's okay. So the next thing we're going to do is take our spoolie once again. And we're going to comb the brow hairs in their natural state. So if they was going back at first, we're going to comb them right back how we found them. We're going to put them, you know, your mama said put things back where you found it. So that's what we're going to do. We're going to put this right back where we found it. We're going to comb the ones that go up, and we're going to comb the ones that go back. So now you see, look, it's a huge difference already, y'all. But as y'all can see a little sparseness in the brows, a little emptiness. We can't have that. You cannot be out with sparse brows. That's not how we do. That's not cute. So we're going to take the brow pencil one more time, and we're going to start from that part we started from, not the front, but the 1/3, and we're going to lightly fill these in, going the same direction as the hair. And when I say lightly, I mean very, very lightly. So where you barely even touching your brows, y'all. For the natural look, that's what we got to do. And y'all see the big difference? Y'all see the difference? And we're going to do the same thing on this side. I'm telling you, brows, easy peasy lemon squeezy. Alright, after that, we're going to take our brush one more time, our spoolie one more time, and we're going to brush through to mix the pigment with the brow hairs. So after this, now that we done brushed everything, we're going to go to the front where we didn't touch. And y'all see this line right here, this line I drew at the bottom, but I didn't do at the top. We're going to take the spoolie and we're going to brush that line up to mix it with the hairs. And y'all see how easy that mixed? We're going to do the same thing on this side. And look, girl, you on fleek already, almost on fleek, but we're not even done yet. So the next thing we're gonna do is we're gonna take this flat definer brush, and y'all can get a flat definer brush anywhere. This just happened to be out of a brush kit that I had, but it really helps a lot. And I'm gonna take the Colourpop No Filter Concealer in the shade 40, and I'm gonna take this definer brush, and then I'm going to dab it and get a little amount of product on this, and we're going to go in with it. We're gonna start with the arch, and we're gonna go under the arch of the brows and just outline the bottom of the brow. And the thing about a definer brush that I'd rather over a concealer brush is that it's straight. So when I make this straight line right here, I ain't gotta do too much, y'all. I could just make this straight line and go by my day. And after that, see how it looks right now? It look good, but it don't look great. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna take this definer brush and we're gonna pull this concealer down. Gonna pull it down, and y'all can pull it all the way down over your lid if you like. I know I do that sometimes, and I use the concealer as a base for my eyeshadow, and you guys can do that also if you like. If you don't have an eyeshadow primer and you don't have money for it, this is a cheap alternative. It is a concealer. Alright, so we're gonna bring that all the way down, as far down as we possibly can. And this is a lighter concealer. I use a lighter concealer typically when I'm going to do an eyeshadow. If you guys do not like the light concealer look, y'all can use a skin color concealer. I use the Maybelline Fit Me in the color Cafe 30, I believe it is. That's my perfect skin tone concealer. So what I'm going to do next, I'm going to take this buffering brush, and this is a Morphe 173 brush. And I'm going to blend out this concealer, because even though we brought it down, it's not blended out. It doesn't look natural. It looks a little crazy. So that's what we're going to do for that. And y'all just want to blend out as best you can. Make sure there's no harsh lines, anything like that. Even on the tail, make sure there's nothing crazy going on. And look, y'all can see the difference. Look at this brow compared to this one. Concealer makes all the difference. So we're going to go and do the same thing on the other side, just like we did the last. Start on the arch and bring it down just like we did before, y'all. And we're gonna take that blending brush one more time, and we're gonna do the same thing. We're gonna blend. You also, I like to meet my concealer in the middle because I highlight and contour anyway, so this is saves me a step later when I need to highlight my nose. It's already almost highlighted, and we just got it like that. Just trying to make life easier for y'all. Just gonna set that up, blend that out. So after that, I gotta conceal the top of my brows. I know some people do not conceal the top of their brows. I'll tell you what I don't do. I do not conceal the top of my brows with this color. This color is too light for the top of your brows, and it's just not cute. So what I've been doing lately is I've been taking my foundation and doing the top of my brows. So whenever I do my foundation on my forehead, it blends out seamlessly. The foundation that I'm using today is the Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define in the color F13. So I'm gonna take this and I'm gonna do the top of my brow. I start from the top, from the front, and I bring it back. Make sure the tail meets. And what I like to do, because I got that harsh line again, is drag it to spread out the color. See that? And so then I take my buffering brush again and I blend it out. And I do the same to the other side. So, you guys see this little piece right here that's just clear with skin? Yeah, we don't like that around here. But what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take that buffering brush and I'm gonna just blend it out. And look how much better that looks. The next thing I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take my 24-hour brow setter by Benefit. Amazing brow gel. Your eyebrows not coming off with this. I'm telling you, it's $24, but it's worth every penny. I like to take the short end for the front of my brows, brush them up, and then switch to the long end and brush everything back all the way to the tail. And y'all, that's it. Look, y'all, they on fleek. Alright, you guys, so that was it. That was for the eyebrow tutorial. I really hope y'all enjoy. I really hope y'all learned something. Like, comment, subscribe, and let me know what else y'all would want to see. Let me know what interests you guys. Let me know if this was helpful to you guys. And thank you guys for watching. Bye-bye. Your eyebrows on fleek? Is they on fleek? Because all the eyebrows on fleek. I'm going to put some lip gloss on so I can feel like a baddie. Are we missing these lashes, sis? Let me go edit this video.